Hi, my name is Marco Zzone, owner and operator of Zzone Homes. I've been doing custom home renovations for over 20 years now. I don't know what else to say. Hold on, I need a hand here.
I'm a
guys.
loser. Hi, I'm Sonia Gilmore. I'm an interior designer. I love bringing beauty to projects, making every space beautiful, no matter how big or small, and seeing the love in my clients' eyes when the whole vision's brought to life. I haven't been here since the tiles were just laid down, so let's see how this looks. Oh, wow. That looks really good. All right, let's get to work and get this done so we can move on to the next one. Great job, Mitch. Marco!
Yes.
10:18. And do you know what time he said he would show up? 9 a.m.
In my time zone, I'm actually 10 minutes early.
Your time zone sucks. Sucks. It's something you need to work on,
You know what,
sir.
after 8 years, you should know this already. You're
Impeccable
welcome.
timing while everything is done.
Oh, is it really?
Yes, of course it
Awesome,
is.
I can't wait to see it.
Come on in and see
Oh, I see
the
Mitch was here.
masterpiece.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that bar. What a good idea. Who came up with that?
I don't know, some moron.
It's the only thing that I came up with here, so I'm going to take credit for that. But it looks great. I know, you know, it's a small but mighty space.
I told you I wanted impact.
You did a great job.
Hopefully we got that on camera.
I think we did.
So yeah, all the artwork
All the
is
artwork.
up. I wanted something separate for the landing because it is a little bit of a unique
I like the way you did
spot.
that.
And I wanted, obviously, artwork that was bold, right? We have like a
It
big,
just
long,
makes it
and
just look
tall.
longer now.
It does. I am really, really happy that we color drenched this wall.
Yeah, I like it too. We fixed the chip in the tile.
Obviously.
So that was Liam, and
this
is all finished off. We put the panel in, and yeah, I think this was a good idea.
It just carries everything through. Like this
Absolutely.
laundry room literally looks double the size of what it was now.
Yeah, the storage, everything's great, and I think they're gonna really love it and really, you know, use this space, and it's gonna make their day-to-day much easier. Well, Sonia, as usual, I am super happy with the design you came up with, and the guys obviously done a great job.
Blew it out of the park.
You know,
Yeah.
we got a lot of things going on right now, but we were able to sneak this one in, which I'm very happy because I know this is a friend of yours, so that's great. We do have those big jobs going on that I need to be at, and you already stole one of my best project managers, Mitch, so I gotta go.
No, unfortunately. So Mitch is mine today. Demo starts at my house, and guess where we're headed
got
right now?
Mitch.
Yeah, exactly. Let's
But
go.
me,
Turn around. Let's go.
When I'm at home, I got a boss. When I'm at work, I got a boss.
Absolutely.
I don't know what's going on anymore.
How was that?
You got so close doors.
Oh, you want me to close the door? Okay. Let's do it again. So
yeah.
let's go turn
So
around.
if I'm the guy that's always late, you're always the one that changes the plans.
Oh, nice try blaming other people for your lateness. Nice try.
All right, I guess I can help.